Hello there mga kamamshi! Isishare ko nga lang pala sa inyo ang prutas na ito na nadaanan namin kanina at nanguha kami. Ang pangalan nga pala ng prutas na ito ay Bignay fruits at may scientific name siya na Antidesma mirius. It is a nourishing and fresh fruit which are found abundantly in Southeast Asian nations. It is popular for its health benefits. Fruits are small in size, brown and smooth. It is helpful to lower cholesterol, weight loss, and maintain healthy heart. Fruits are used to make Bignay tea. It is also used for preparing jams, wines, jellies, syrup, and other foods due to its nourishing and reinvigorating flavor. Bignay leaves are rich in antioxidants which are believed to help fight free radicals in the body. Bignay leaves can be used to flavor dishes like salads, soups, and rice, and can also be brewed into a tea with potential health benefits.